How to find messages, notifications, settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find messages, notifications, settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find test three lines. Click on it and now click settings and privacy, and here you will find push notifications. Click on it and then scroll down until you find messages, and here you will find direct messages and direct messages preview notifications. Just manage anything you want and go back. As you see, that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.